Hi everyone, Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 7/26 of 2020. The stock was M, as in Macy's. This happened on Tuesday the 21st of July. Strategy based on a daily major support area entry on a 60-minute transition with a 1-minute secondary sign of strength. Management simple, reward to risk 2.0 to 1. This week free at DTS, it's just Monday night is the Monday night biweekly scanning night. Come join us for an hour of fun, anticipation, and looking for stocks for long-term type positions. This was the daily chart for M. This is what it looked like the day before the trade. And right there, we're going to see a big green bar come up. This is what it looked like the day after the trade. Doesn't look like much on that daily chart, but the daily chart was not the focus of the play. It's not a swing trade or a long-term trade. It was just for a day trade, and you can see what was there on the daily chart was that nice support area over a long period of time. You can see that better on the hourly chart as we had multiple areas of support, and then we had that little consolidation sitting on support. You have to be careful with these because they're not always very clean coming out of that consolidation, but this day it happened to gap up just a little bit, enough to clear that consolidation. Boom. 60-minute chart, that's what it looked like after the day of the trade. 5-minute chart, where you get the best view of exactly what's going on here. Came in and got an entry inside of that first 5-minute green bar. You'll see exactly where. And from there, it was just a matter of grabbing some targets. This one actually gave you an alternate entry in here. The problem is you don't always get that. Sometimes it just takes off and you're left staring at it. So I got in early. And target number 1 here is to kind of accelerate to that area, and then target number 2 on a trail, as I was hoping for it to maybe even go a little bit higher. So it didn't quite get the high of the day, but not bad for a second exit. 1-minute chart just shows you the entry a little bit better. The entry was taken right over there, and I was a little disappointed. I really should have gotten near the low of the day on this one. I'm not sure exactly why I didn't. I don't remember. I might have been looking at something else, but this is really the number 1 featured stock. So for some reason, I let that go. Still a good trade, but could have been a little bit better, I think. Targets, of course, aren't shown on the 1-minute chart because the first target was taken a little bit after this chart ends. For those of you interested in a trading style like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. We really focus on the opening couple of hours. The room often stays open for a while, but I'm usually just checking in to see if there's any interesting opportunities. Focus is on the first couple hours of the day. Clear, concise plays that you can follow along with, usually on high volume stocks. If you're interested, come join us, see the DTS website, and figure out how to join us if you're interested. This is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.